My next topic is the last topic too, illustrative programs. What is an illustrative programs? These are the programs and the problems solved through the Python coding and algorithm. First program is a guess an integer in a range. If we give values in a range, for example, integer value, character, data type, and we need to find which one is an integer in a range. We need to find it off. First, we start a program in algorithm. We start a program, declare n as guess. Compute guess is equal to input. First, we are giving input as named as a guess and read guess. If a guess is greater than n, then print your guess is too high. Else, if your guess is less than n, print your guess is too low. Else, if guess is equal to n, then print good job. Else, no, stop. This is an algorithm, and in pseudocode it is completely different from the algorithm, which uses the keywords. As we know that begin is a keyword and compute guess is equal to input. For input getting, we are using a keyword compute, and for reading we using the keyword read guess, because guess is the variable assigned for the input value. And then if guess is greater than n, print guess is high. Else, if guess is less than n, print guess is low. Else, if guess is equal to n, print good job. Else, no, end. This is a flow chart. Start value, read n, read guess number, guess is equal to input. If guess is greater than n, like that. If we showed in the algorithm, if the input value is greater than n, the guess is too high. If the input value is less than n, guess is too low. Is equal to n, good job. That's a fine. We need to stop that program. And next one. Here we are considering the all illustrative program with algorithm, pseudocode and flowchart. This alone is we need to find out in the this topic or this unit. Minimum number in a list, that means a smallest number in the list we need to find it. So, what are the algorithm? Start the method and the read n values and initialize I is equal to 0, because more than one number we have given as an input, we are using a I as an input value. If I is less than n, then go to step 4.1, 4.2, else go to step 4.4, step 5. That means in step 4.1, read A of I. A of I is array index value is allocated for the I input, and I is equal to I plus 1. Go to step 4 and then compute minimum is equal to A of 0, because if the I is equal to 0, I is less than n, only we can go to 4.1, 4.2. Otherwise, we can go to 5. So, minimum value is print. So, initialize I is equal to 1. If I is less than n, then go to step 8, else go to step 10. If the I values we are given initialize I is equal to, first we initialize I is equal to 0. For that purpose, we are using which one is small, and next one initialize I is equal to 1 and minimum of e, and then I is equal to I plus 1, go to 7, print minimum. So, further we are getting a list 32, 10, 25, 76. In this, which one is the minimum number in the list? That means 10. 10 is the minimum number in the list. So, we are guessing a minimum number through this pseudocode and algorithm. We are denoting to the users easy access manner and to find the solution for each problem. And pseudocode as we know that always start with the begin keyword and read n input. For I is equal to 0, I less than I is equal to 0 to 1, n. Then if A of I less than minimum, then calculate minimum A of I, increment I, else increment I, and if else n for print minimum n. Then in flowchart we are just starting the word start, read n, I is equal to 0. If I is less than n, yes, read A of I, then I is equal to I plus 1 and minimum is equal to A of I is equal to 1. If the I is less than n, then is no, minimum is equal to A of I is equal to 1. If I is less than n, yes. If A of I is less than minimum, and then we are measuring or we are printing minimum array of index A of I. Then I is equal to I plus 1. We need to find continuous iteration. If the processing the loop is continually looped, if the I value is less than n. Otherwise, if I value is equal to 1 or equal to 0 or equal to n, the automatically the loop will be execute and print the minimum value, we will get it off. And next illustrative problem.